We know that some of you are well versed in the concept of blockchain, but for those who aren't familiar with it, we'll go over it quickly. Blockchain is a system that maintains a record of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency transactions across several computers linked in a peer-to-peer network. Now, how did blockchain come to be? Stuart Haber and W. described this idea for the first time in 1991. They introduced a simple computer solution for time-stamping digital documents in order to prevent tampering. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto created blockchain as a public transaction ledger for Bitcoin. Actually, this system has numerous benefits. So in this video, we'll look at how blockchain is transforming the economy and the world. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Here are 15 advantages that blockchain can provide to the world. Blockchain ensures the safety and security of your money. Banking would be faster, less expensive, and would keep 100% accurate records. Banks benefit from this as well. 90% of them are looking into blockchain solutions because they would save 30% on infrastructure costs and can operate with 10% fewer employees. Transactions are clear here, so there are fewer human interventions, which means fewer errors. Additionally, those working abroad can send money home instantly rather than waiting days. Blockchain can help us improve our identity in the online world. As you know, people are very good at assuming someone else's identity online. Approximately 1.1 billion people worldwide are unable to prove that they are who they say they are. The main reasons for this are that they were not formally registered at birth, that documents were lost due to natural disasters, or that they did not have enough money to file birth registration forms. It is indeed impossible for these people who lack these documents to transact, so blockchain is extremely beneficial in this regard. Blockchain-based mobile works well because 60% of people own phones, right? So since 2007, Estonia has actually used blockchain for their national digital identity scheme, and it requires no paperwork and only digital signatures, and it has proven nationwide success. Blockchain technology aids in the verification of ownership titles. This is especially true when you record your items or transactions on blockchain. In the case of high-value items such as artwork, you should be able to identify and prove that the piece was stolen or resold at any point in its life. Indeed, blockchain is the most secure and dependable method of tracking assets for proof of ownership. The sneaker market made use of blockchain. They use a smart tagging system to document the details of each sneaker so that customers know the sneakers they're buying are authentic. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering. ICO is a new blockchain-based method for companies to raise funds without going public on the stock exchange. This is usually reserved for the cryptocurrency industry. To raise funds through an ICO, you must have information about the company, the amount of money needed, how much the founders will keep, the type of money accepted, and how long the campaign will last. A blockchain-powered charging station for electric vehicles. The German utility RWE was the first to install this in 2016. In addition, some automakers have expressed interest in creating blockchain-based incentive data networks. Mobi, for example, used blockchain technology to make transportation more environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and efficient. If you find this informative, hit the like button on this video. It helps us a lot and allows us to keep these references coming. Smart contracts are built using blockchain technology. Nick Szabo created this, which rendered the role of a middleman obsolete. Any contract can be automated, checked, regulated, and self-executed using a computer program. So what is the result of this? A flawless contract is completed in a timely manner. Blockchain connects services to customers directly. People may believe that blockchains will make many jobs obsolete, and while most technologies tend to automate workers on the periphery performing menial tasks, blockchains will help to automate away the center. As an example, consider a taxi driver. Instead of putting taxi drivers out of work, blockchain puts Uber out of work and allows taxi drivers to work directly with customers. Mounds of paperwork all come together seamlessly with blockchains. This can result in the formation of a DAC, or Decentralized Autonomous Company, in accordance with all applicable laws, NDAs, codes of conduct, business plans, and reports. It simplifies and facilitates the work. Parking fees can be paid using blockchain technology. In 2014, a New York City councilman proposed that Bitcoin be used to pay parking fines. In South Africa, fines can also be paid in Bitcoin. Governments could use blockchain technology to regulate street parking, unpaid fines, unsafe vehicles, and expired licenses. There would be fewer car accidents and overall road safety would improve. Supply chain management and blockchain. While the supply chain has always been plagued with problems, lack of transparency, ineffective management, increased risks, demand changes, and theft, blockchain has already revolutionized the way companies track their goods and services. The system depicts the product's journey from the factory to the consumer, making it easier to track if a problem arises. Blockchain is already being used by Walmart. According to Statista, 55.3% of logistics service providers have already embraced blockchain technology. Blockchain has the potential to transform the way insurance companies conduct business. The new technology will result in increased efficiency, cost savings, faster payouts, transparency, and fraud mitigation. Furthermore, data can be shared in real time, and claims can be verified, leaving no room for fraud. Using blockchain, purchasing a home would be simpler and faster. As you are aware, purchasing a home is not an easy task. It is a demanding and exhausting process. It also involves banks, lawyers, municipalities, and even the government in order to purchase a home. However, with blockchain, you can easily create all of these. You only need one legal document to ensure 100% accuracy. If you're looking for some information about the pros and cons of all the responsibilities that come with choosing to buy or rent a property, you can watch our video titled Rent or Buy a House, which is smarter. You can find and check it out on this channel. Now, back to the video. Humanitarian aid benefits from blockchain technology. Because blockchain technology eliminates the need for a middleman, the money or cryptocurrency goes directly to the charity. The digital journey of the donation can be tracked from beginning to end. It can also be used to collect information on areas in need of immediate assistance and to coordinate aid delivery and crowdfunding. Blockchains can help make treating health problems easier. Yes, your health information can be difficult to keep track of over time. So, blockchain is being used to solve this problem by improving the tracking of your medical history. This also saves the doctor's time and money because you don't have to repeat the tests. Doctors who log into your profile can view your complete medical history. The good thing is that all of this information is easily accessible. CryptoKitties exist on blockchains. Cat lovers all over the world are crazy about these CryptoKitties. 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐠 created them, and they are powered by the Ethereum cryptocurrency blockchain. When CryptoKitties first launched in 2017, it raised $1.3 million in just 1 month. In March 2018, investors contributed another $12 million to CryptoKitties. Each cat is one of a kind, and no cat can be duplicated, removed, or destroyed. It was, in fact, one of the most successful blockchain games to date. With all of the advantages that blockchain has, we were curious. Do you have any experience with blockchain? What impact does it have on your life in general? Take time to reflect in the comments section, as we love to read them all. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!